In 2025, we are working smarter and not harder. If you have been using your phone as a liability, then you need to listen to this. The phone you are literally watching with me right now can be an asset for you, and it can literally make you money in 2025. So if you have been using your phone to scroll on the online space, waste a lot of time literally doing nothing valuable, then this is the video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to give you 4 ways in which you can be able to use your phone. And guess what? All these 4 ways, you literally do not need to spend any money to get started with. So that means you are doing literally for free. You have your phone, you have time, then this is the place you need to be. Look, many people are wasting time on the online space, scrolling every single time, and they are literally wasting that time that they will have used it on something valuable. Instead of you wasting your time doing things that are not adding value to you, cyberbullying people on the online space, or literally watching porn, things that are not adding value, why don't you shift things around and start making money with that phone? The first way in which you can be able to make money with that phone is through designing products on Canva. Canva is one of the most diverse places in which you can go and learn for free and be able to create as many designs, as many templates as you can, and become a basic graphic designer. From creating things like flyers to creating social media templates to simple things like thumbnails, you can be able to design all these things with your phone. Most of my thumbnails I create here on YouTube, they come from Canva, and I literally create these things with my phone. So when I say you can do this with your phone, I'm not joking. I have been able to do it. The first thing is I want you to go and understand the ins and outs. Go take your phone and just spend at least 1 hour a day in figuring out and understanding the ins and outs of Canva. Go through the graphics, go through the flyers, start creating simple designs for yourself, and start posting them on your socials, on your TikTok, on your Instagram, on your Facebook. Just create and then post. This way you are literally building awareness in people's eyes, for people to trust you and to be like you, to know you as a graphic designer. And when you have been able to perfect your art, then you can go ahead and start creating a portfolio for yourself in which you can be able to reach out to your clients. So this can be the simple designs you have created, either flyers, either thumbnails, either social media templates that you can place on your portfolio, where you can be able to reach to your clients on. So if you want to start creating thumbnails, go and reach out to YouTubers. People are out here in need of good thumbnails. Let me tell you, the amount of time that YouTubers spend just to create a good thumbnail can be really tiresome. If you can be able to create a good thumbnail that sparks curiosity, that makes someone want to click to that video and watch, then you would have cracked the code. Because this way you can be able to attract as many YouTubers as you can be able to go and reach out to as many YouTubers as you can and showcase your work to them. And in return, if they see whatever you are doing is of value, they will give you the job. So go and stand out. Decide if you want to start creating flyers. Reach out to places like, reach out to churches, reach out to schools, reach out if you're in college, you can be able to reach out to different clubs that in case they have a gig, they give you, that way you are building an awareness, you're building a trust, and you can be able to create a business out of just this simple thing that you started with your phone. The second thing on the lineup is being a video editor. Video editing is really, really time consuming. Let me just tell you the truth. Editing videos can literally take someone up to 20 hours just to edit and create that video to be of good quality. Hii huwa inachukua time nyingi kwa watu wengi, because you see someone is creating a YouTube video and they need to like pumping as many videos as they can, but hawajui kuedit hizi video all the time. Mtu anataka mtu mwenye they will create the video and then wapate mtu mwenye atafanya the editing side of it. And if you can learn this skill, guys, if you can be able to take that phone and download CapCut, mtu asikudanganye, CapCut is not hard. CapCut is not hard. In fact, it is beginner friendly. Like anybody who has no skill sets in video editing can be able to start with CapCut. Just start from where you are na CapCut. Take that download CapCut on your Play Store and start playing around with videos. Editors of videos. Come around with different what is it called? Zooming in, zooming out, you know, things like that. Adding captions, coming out with different styles, no ilete engagement. Because you see, when your videos are well edited, they bring a lot of engagement because people are like, it retains people to keep watching your videos, and the more it retains people, the more watch hours you get, and the more watch hours, the more money you get. That is the order of online. Is it an order? That is the way people make money on the online space, because the more they retain people, the more the watch hours add up and the more they make their money. So if you can be able to help a content creator, if you can be able to help a business person who is trying to build their brand on the online space on how to edit quality videos, then you can be able to attract you can be able to get these people to work with you. And the secret here is, if you can be able to save them time, not just edit long form videos for YouTube or podcast, if you can be able to save them time to actually repurpose their content. Because most of the people nowadays, they create long form videos and then they just repurpose it because they don't have all the time to create another short video for TikTok or for Instagram. So you edit them, the long video, then you repurpose it. And when it comes to repurposing to short videos, here is the secret. So there are a couple of tools that can help you, and they can just do the work for you in a snap of a finger. One of the tools that is the best so far, it's VIDYO AI. Another one, it's Opus Clips. Another one, it's still new, it's Filmora 14. These are the type of video editing apps. These are the types of video editing apps that can help you to bring these long form videos to short videos in a snap of a finger. So you do not have to put yourself through the hassle of creating another short video. You just need to edit good quality videos and then download it in any of the apps that I have mentioned, and you can be able to bring it to short videos in a snap of a finger and repurpose that. And this can help your client to repurpose their content. So if this is not a game changer for you, then I don't know what it is. And the good thing about Easy Vitu Zote Imagine, you can just choose your phone. You just need to have your phone, edit whatever you need to edit, because most of my videos, I won't lie to you, most of my videos, I edit them on my phone. I have a laptop, but at times I feel like I just want to edit while seated somewhere, or maybe I'm moving around and I have a video, I just start editing it on my phone and it's way easier. So if you can be able to do that, trust you me, you will be able to make money with video editing, because people are in need of video editors. The other one is affiliate marketing. If you do not know about affiliate marketing, sijui uko wapi in this world, because affiliate marketing is the way people are making money without even selling anything. So this is the form in which you are promoting a product of a particular brand or company, and in return you are being paid commission. So let's say an example of the phone I'm using right now. I can be able to promote this phone by telling you guys, if you're in need of Samsung, you can get a link to Samsung. The link is on my bio or on my descriptions. I have literally just promoted it, and that is affiliate marketing. One thing you need to note about affiliate marketing is you do not need a lot of things. You just need your phone, and you need to apply to these affiliate marketing programs. So all you need is to have your phone in which you can be able to promote this product in whatever social media platform you choose. So if you feel like your audience, or you have a big audience on TikTok, monetize them by promoting. If you feel like you have a bigger audience on Facebook, you have a bigger audience on YouTube, monetize them with affiliate marketing, and you can be able to start making good money out of it. Some of the affiliate marketing programs that are very easy for people to get into because they do not require a lot. It's Amazon Associates. It's one of the fastest way, but the only bad side to Amazon is they pay peanuts. Like, the money they pay you, it's very small in terms of percentage. But if you can get into this other platforms like Impact Radius, if you can get yourself into CJ, if you can get yourself into Share a Sell, Digistore, these are great platforms in which you'll be paid up to 50% commission, which is good money. Yeah, so all you need to have is your phone, and you need to apply to an affiliate program, and you need to create content, because for people to buy you need to show yourself, or just create faceless videos, but I'm not sure about that. So I'll literally recommend someone to create videos showcasing whatever it is, or promoting or speaking about it, but you don't want to sound too silly. So don't be too silly, like you're just pushing it on their face. No, give value, and then after giving value, it's on that affiliate program that you are promoting. That is another way you can be able to monetize and make money with your phone. Number 4 is the best, because this is literally a life changer to so many, me being one of them. It's content creation. So content creation is making people money. And if you're not making money in 2025 with content creation, then you are doing it the wrong way. The only problem is when you are creating content without the business aspect side of it. Because if you have not created the business aspect side of it, then you cannot be able to make money with content creation. That is the honest truth. You need to be able to have the business aspect side of it for you to be able to make money with content creation. And guess what? The only thing you need is your phone and good lighting and offer value. That is all you need for you to be able to kickstart your journey to making money with content creation. There are so many ways you can monetize your content creation. And one of the biggest things that everybody, literally everybody, is always thinking about, it's brand deals, or Google ads paying you on things like YouTube. And in as much as that is good, but I feel like that is the least amount of money you need to be thinking. And that is why you find so many people are rushing. Unapata watu wanakimbizana na brands. People are willing to be paid very small amounts of money just because they don't know the value they carry, and just because that is the only means of them being paid that they know about content creation. But if you can create content creation in the business aspect, like an entrepreneur, like someone who is building a business out of this, then you will see there are so many ways in which you can make money in content creation. And I'll be releasing a video, please watch it after this, that I'll be just showcasing you on how exactly the step-by-step on how you can be able to make money with content creation, and what are the things you need to put in order for you to start seeing content creation making money for you. Because you don't want to create content kufurahisha watu, and yet you're using your energy, you're spending your time, and you are not getting anything in return. Like, that is so bad. Yeah, in as much as you're spending your time, you need to equate it to money. And if you want to be able to know how exactly you can make money with content creation, please watch my next video that I'll be releasing after this on the step-by-step on exactly how you can be able to make money in content creation in 2025. So if you have found value in this video, if you have found anything that you want to run with, I beg you, just grab and run with it. Okay, don't overthink it. Take it and run with it, polish it, refine it, and start making money with it, because 2025 is the year that people are moving to the next level, and you need to be part of that person. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, it's your girl, Miss Julie KE. I talk about business ideas, making money in the online space, learning, and being financially stable. So if this is the content you love, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. From me to you again, it's bye-bye.